Welcome back. In our Midcap Spotlight segment, we're going to be talking about Mphasis. Now, the company has clarified to the exchanges that they do not have any exposure to Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank or Silvergate Capital. They've also gone on to say that their exposure to the US Regional Bank, which was also an area of concerns, is actually not very significant. So they're saying the exposure is just in low single-digit percentage. Now remember, the street was very concerned about Mphasis because Mphasis' BFSI contribution was more than 50%, closer to 60% if you take into account banking and insurance. So amongst all the IT companies, Indian IT companies, Mphasis had the largest exposure to BFSI. So the street was very worried. And since the SVB crisis, I think on 9th or about, I think 9th of March, look at the way the stock has corrected. It's fallen from levels of more than, I think, about, what was the stock price? I think it was about 2,400 thereabout. It's come down to 1,700. So the stock has seen a major correction. Pull up a one-month chart of Mphasis and you would see the kind of underperformance of Mphasis. And today you are seeing some of those gains, coming back. And Mphasis versus the Nifty IT index is also underperformed. There you have it. Sorry, from 2,100 plus, it fell down to levels of 1,700 since the SVB crisis began due to fears of its exposure there, and therefore will the overall banking revenues get impacted. But some clarification coming in from the market, from the company, which has soothed the nerves on the street.
Okay, all right. Thank you for that, Reema. Mphasis in focus on the back of this news. Shares of South Indian